Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. Today is Thursday, I think. Yep, today's Thursday, October 17th. So today I thought I would do a comic, because I've been doing comics and film and video lately, and we'll get to that in a second. My favorite phrase, in a second. Sorry, I just had a lot of coffee. Well, not a lot, but it's early in the morning, like 10:50. But anyways, that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is um, how to draw comics, or like how I draw comics to be more specific in this video. So this is first a board, and yes, I'm busting out the ruler to draw the squares. So there's that. The materials I'm also going to be using is the Zebra Sensations colored pencil, mechanical pencil. I still need to review these, so I will do that soon. And then my favorite mechanical pencil that I keep showing in my videos. Um, and then lastly, well, not lastly, because did I bring my watercolors in here? I did not. I might have to take a break or something, stop filming, and go get my watercolors. I thought I brought them in here. Um, anyways, for the inking, I just like to use a basic ballpoint pen for the inking. Sorry I keep saying a lot. It's early in the morning, guys. Again with the. But anyways, so I'm gonna be using these today with watercolors for the final. I thought about doing like a comic in my sketchbook, but I just wanted to make an elaborate video. So my full comic process, because usually my sketchbooks are inks, they're not colored because of the paper I'm using. Well, depending on the sketchbook, like this is an example comic, a longer comic of a video. They're eating hamburgers at a restaurant, so Theo look like Katie passed the ketchup, and then I look like shirt Theo, and then Theo look like, oh, you got my shirt. So this is the new shirt. I'll get napkins. Wow, you knocked over my drink. Oops. Can you get the waiter? Get more napkins in his new drink. I'll be right back. And then watch out, Owen. And then Owen's ball. Kind of like cliche comic or something. But anyways, get on to the next one. So I love drawing comics because there's so much fun to draw, and I feel like I can do this kind of thing. So this is an example comic that didn't turn out quite well with the inking. Like I messed up on his eyes. So yeah, I'm trying to write better, like bigger dialogues and can read it. So I'm not gonna read this one because I've already read the other one. But anyways, you can pause it and read it. So it's basically a computer comic. They're on the computer. They're not supposed to be, and it froze. So they're on their model computer. So this is an example of a comic that is in the rough stages. Um, Rough stages, basically just blue pencil. So there's that. And I wanted to show you my finished colored comics. And this is a mixed media Canson XL pencil. So, for example, turn to the right pages. I did a comic based on me. I can read this one out loud, so I can't think of anything to draw. And then 1 minute later, I need to think about this, so I'm going, away from the desk, and then I finally got my drawing idea. And then what was that again? Story of my life. Once I get a drawing idea, I forget about it. So, anyway, this one is Can We Name the Pumpkin? What would you name it? And then what about Sam? And then this is the mom. So the mom goes, they are called jack-o'-lanterns. How about Jack then? That's the perfect name. Is Jack done yet? Jack's all done. Maybe when I do Owen Theo comics, I go for cuteness because Owen is 8 years old and Theo is 4. So having that background viewpoint is like I can add to the cuteness factor. So I saw that little comic, and I also didn't like the blue background because it's too bold. So I didn't like that part. But anyways, that's why I like to use watercolors. Like here I use watercolors and you can see the pictures clearly. So I use watercolors for that one, which is why I'm going to use watercolors today. So I'm going to put my headphones in. The whole drawing process is going to be sped up. Only because it takes a while to do a comic, especially on this size paper. These comics and my sketchbook take around like an hour to do. I haven't really done a comic on a Bristol board lately, so it's my first time doing it really in a while. So we'll see how that goes. So yeah, continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm thinking of doing a mini comic of Golden Theo, like a pirate story. So that might be coming soon. I have to write it though, and writing for me is like do I really have to do it kind of thing. I used to write all the time, and then now I'm like, do I have to do it? But anyways, enough of complaining. Let's get on to the video. Like I was saying, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join my channel. We're smiling creators over here. So anyways, join the family, and I'd love to have you. So if you're new here, welcome. If it's your first time, welcome. I like to draw comics and cartoons. This is a cartoon drawing channel made for all ages. So, anyways, enough talking. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you at the end of this video. Hey guys, and welcome to this part of the video. This is my color pencil stage, which is why I can't see it that well yet. But once we continue to get to the other stages, like the final pencil inking and coloring watercolors, so you look at see that. But anyways, this is the prompt word. I used the prompt word for this, which is learn. So I went on to randomwordgenerator.net and came up with the word learn. So I based my comic off that. Then I based my comic off of my coffee mug that was in French. So from Paris. So I got a deal learning how to speak French. So I thought it'd be a cute little comic scenario. So you see me outline the boxes. I'm sorry it's very light that you can't see it quite yet. But you will soon if you stick with the video. But anyways, up next is the final pencil stage. So you'll see that also after I do this part. So you'll see a little bit better. So I really don't have much to say on this comic other than that. But I had a lot of fun with this. It took a while to make. So usually my sketchbook pages comics take like an hour or so. This took maybe 2 hours because I started around 10 and noon now. So anyways, I'm editing the video now. So anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next clip. Continue watching them because you'll see all the stages of how I make comics and everything. So if you're interested in that, I may do more. Like I'm planning on to do mini comics for Owen and Theo. So here we are with the final pencil stage of the comic. So let's get on with the pencil stage. Anyways, that's it for the voiceover for now. So anyways, yep. Hey guys, whoops. If you made it this far into the video of watching my pencil stage, this is what I call the pencil stage of my comic. Basically I just wanted to have like a French comic a little bit, so they're learning to speak French, or well Theo is. And so I'll read the final comic in the end and everything. So you can pause it or something if you want to read it in case I messed up with the coloring inking. And I'm going to keep checking in after the comics during each stage, I think. So it will move over into the next clip. So anyways, so this is the final pencil stage. So to check in. So it's taking a while because it is on Bristol, and I am, did use color rays, not color rays, Steamer Sensations color pencil for the beginning, which is why I couldn't see it in the beginning. So let's get on to the inking, and again, we'll be using the famous ballpoint pen. So that's what I like to use. This is Crystal ballpoint pen. I love it. So anyway, let's get on to the video. Hey guys, and welcome to the inking stage of this part. I was actually very happy with it. Usually I get all nervous while on camera, especially inking on camera, so get a real treat of inking like this. So set up, I didn't want to do it in real time because then I'll mess up. So anyway, this is the inking stage. If you like this format of editing, like checking in like after I do a certain part of a drawing, let me know and I can do more of that. So anyway, this is the inking stage and it's taking a while to edit this format, so it'll be worth it if you liked it, this way of editing. So anyways, I really don't have much to say about the inking, kind of the boring part of drawing, and I admit I haven't done Inktober in a while, I need to catch up, so that's not about this video, but anyways, so the next up is final stage of watercolor painting, but we'll do the next check-in after this. So anyways, yeah, I really don't have much to say on this, guys, the inking. So again, if you want to read the comment, you can pause it, so you can do that. I kind of read it out loud in the inking stage, so if you like this video, again, with the format and everything, let me know, check-ins and everything, so I could definitely do that in the future. So continue watching this video, and I'll see you in a few. Hey guys, and welcome to this part of the video. I just finished the inks and everything. I used a ballpoint pen. So I can read the comic a little bit. So it basically says in the first panel, bonjour Theo. And then Theo's like, what does that mean? And then second panel, it says it means hello in French. And then Theo's like, wow, really? So they're talking in French down here in the third panel, and then Owen's like, bonjour Theo. And then Theo's like, bonjour Owen. And then Theo is like, I learned something new. I'm a French bear. Something cute like that. So I kind of came up with the concept of like, I did a random word generator on Google. Um, so yeah, and the random word was learned. So I was trying to think of something on the lines of learning something new. So I came up with that, and it inspired by my French mug that I had coffee in this morning. So kind of went with that for this inspiration. So anyway, let's get on to the coloring. So technically I could call this done if I were to do a grayscale and shade with my grayscale pens, but I kind of feel like coloring it today. So we're going to coloring. This is kind of like a vlog style, draw with me-ish of how I draw comics. I'm probably going to label that video, or how to draw comics and something like that. So anyways, get on to the final stage. This is the third stage of, or second stage of completing the comic. So anyways, get on to the final stage, which is coloring. So continue watching. Hey guys, and welcome to this part of the last part of the comic. Thank you so much if you made it this far, and I really appreciate you watching this video. I love drawing comics with Owen and Theo because it makes me feel productive, and I have fun with it. So this is the watercolor painting, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I do cartoon drawings and everything like that. So I appreciate your feedback. So thank you so much for watching it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.